Welcome to Learning with Miss D. In one of my previous videos on magic A sounds, I shared a lesson where I said advice as a root word. And trust me, eyebrows were raised. A comment came in. How can advice have a root word? Isn't it just a complete word on its own? Some even thought it was a British versus American thing. So, in today's video, I'm here to clear the air, break it all down, and show you exactly why advice does have a root word, how it works, and give you a few other examples to help you spot this pattern easily. Let's go. Does the word advice have a suffix? If yes, what's the root word? Before I explain, we need to understand what suffix really means. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word to change its meaning or function. Examples: teach plus ER gives you teacher. Act plus ION gives you action. So we ask, is ICE a suffix in advice? Is advice made of a root plus suffix? Yes. Advice comes from the verb advise. That's the root word. So, advise is a verb, while advice is the noun. How did the change happen? In English, some verbs ending in ISE form nouns ending in ICE. This is a word formation pattern and not a British or American issue. So, what's the suffix in advice? The suffix here is ICE, which helps change the verb advise into the noun advise. So, advise is an action, the verb, while advice is a thing, the noun. They are related words, not just similar looking. More examples like this are practice and practice. The one ending in ISE is the verb, while ICE is the noun. License and license. License, where it seems there is a silent T, like is a bit pronounced, is the verb. And the other one has the silent T embedded, it's not sounded. That is the noun. These pairs often cause confusion, especially with UK and US differences. Finally, if you hear Z at the end, that means it's usually the verb advise. If you hear S at the end, that means it's the noun advice. In summary, advise is the root verb. Advice is the noun made by adding ICE. It's a case of word formation, not British versus American spelling now. They are not interchangeable. One is a verb, one is a noun. The ICE is a suffix, not just decoration. This is grammar, not a British versus American thing. If that helped clear things up, type what roots make sense in the comments. And if you want more easy grammar tips, subscribe and join the Miss D Learning family.